Hello everyone, Mr. H again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will be learning how to find the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle based on the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem states that the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. Based on the diagram below, the exterior angle here is angle C, while the two remote interior angles are angles A and B. So based on the concept of the exterior angle theorem, we can actually derive the formula in which we have angle C will be equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles, which are angle A and angle B. To understand this theorem further, let's answer a couple of examples. Example number 1. Determine the measure of the exterior angle of the given triangle. As you can see, we have the exterior angle that is labeled x degrees, and the two remote interior angles are given. So based on the concept of the exterior angle theorem, we can write our initial equation by x degrees will be equal to 54 degrees plus 57 degrees. And the measure of the exterior angle is obtained by adding 54 and 57, which is actually equal to 111. And from here, we can say that the value of x is 111. Example number 2. Find the measure of angle PRT. Note that the figure is not drawn to scale. So from this diagram, we can see that the exterior angle is triangle P or angle PRT. So we were given this figure where the triangle is triangle PQR. And since this side is actually extended, forming the exterior angle PRT, then we can still apply here the concept of the exterior angle theorem. However, since you noticed and comparing this example from the previous one, all the angles here are actually represented by algebraic expressions. And so from this concept, what we need to do is to find the value of x first. And after finding the value of x, we can simply substitute the value of x to the given expression in order for us to know what the measure of the angle is, which is 6x plus 20 will be equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So it's going to be x plus 40 plus 4x minus 5. Now, after writing the initial equation, what we need to do is to simplify. So simplifying means combining like terms. So what we need to do is to find the value of x by first putting together all the terms with x on one side. So we can have 6x. So we put all the x terms on the left-hand side, separating them from the constant terms. So we have 6x, and x will be moved from right to left. So that's going to become minus x. And positive 4x also will be moved to the left, and that's going to become negative 4x equals. So the right-hand side will contain all the constant terms. So meaning constant terms do not have variables. So let's begin with 40. So 40 is already on the right-hand side, so it's positive 40. We don't change anything. Also minus 5. Minus 5 is already on the right-hand side, so we don't change anything. So just simply rewrite negative 5. However, positive 20 is on the left-hand side, so it needs to be moved to the right-hand side. So applying the subtraction property of equality, we will subtract 20 from both sides. So positive 20 will become negative 20. After rearranging the terms, we just need to simplify. So we have 6x minus x and minus 4x. So that gives us x. Because negative x and negative 4x is negative 5x. So that means we have 6x minus 5x is actually x. And we have 40 minus 5 minus 20 is actually 15. So the value of x that we're looking for is 15. However, the process doesn't stop here because the question is finding the measure of angle PRT. And we know from the diagram that angle PRT is actually equal to 6x plus 20 degrees. And so in order for us to find the measure of angle PRT, so we just simply plug in the value of x that we got to the expression. So we have angle PRT is equal to 6 times the value of x that we got is 15 plus 20 degrees. So 6 times 15 is 90. Angle PRT is actually 110. Angle PRT measures 110 degrees. All right, I hope you learned something new today. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.